Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will make the unboxing of Amazon Smart Plug. An Amazon Smart Plug is a voice control socket. It works with Alexa to add voice control to anything you plug to the socket. For example, you may schedule lights, coffee machines and appliances to turn on and off automatically or to control them remotely when you are away. It is very easy to set up and it does not require a smart home hub. Everything can be controlled through the Alexa app on your smart device. You must be connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and it is strictly for indoor use. The output of this socket is at max 10 amps. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.